Good morning. So my name is Emmanuel van der Stichele. I'm part of the Goodman European management team, and I run GALF, the Goodman European Logistics Fund. Goodman is a global logistics real estate development and asset management company with about 15 billion euros of assets under management. Initially an Australian company with activities in Asia, so China, Hong Kong, New Zealand, Australia, and then in Europe, and recently also started in Brazil and the US. GALF, the fund that I run, is a 1.8 billion fund and invested in about 11 European countries in continental Europe, so ex-UK.
Great, thank you. James.
I run the capital markets business for CBRE, focused on industrial and logistics. I'm based in London, and we've got a core team here who are specialists in the sector, working with the agency groups as well. We spend most of our time, I'd say 95% of our time, actually working in mainland Europe, and mostly for the likes of these guys, but also I think what's unique to our business is that our capital markets bit is integrated with our agency teams, and we spend a huge amount of time focused on the occupiers and working with them, and that gives us a slightly different perspective, I think, and I hope for our clients.
Great, thank you. Christian.
Thanks. Christian Jamison. I'm running a company called Delin Capital Asset Management, which we started off the back of raising 200 million euros for our maiden Core Plus fund, capital preservation portfolio it's called. The clue's in the name. I think we're one of the people bringing in new people into the sector. Really, the capital we raised was off the back of real preservation of it against inflation, combined with decent, sort of relatively high income returns through dividends each year. So we're promising our investors 5 or 6%. We've raised, as I said, 200 million euros. We'll leverage it 50%, although initially we're buying unlevered. And we're focused on 3 markets, the UK, the Netherlands and Belgium, and really buying prime logistics, modern stock, standardized products in strong locations.
Great, thanks, Christian. Joseph.
Yeah, thanks, Richard. Joseph Ghazal, I'm the head of capital deployment for Prologis in Europe, basically responsible for all investments in Europe. Prologis is an owner, operator, and asset manager of logistics properties, 55 million square meters worldwide, $45 billion of assets under management. In Europe, we're 9 billion euros and just above 13 million square meters of office space spanning 11 countries,